Yes. Yo, what's up everybody? It's been a long day. I was bound and determined to get the P500 put back together today, and I did. I got the long arm kit installed, back on the Walker Evans. I did a moose receiver hitch on the back, got the front long arm kit installed. We moved the tabs forward. You saw that video, and I haven't done a video update in a while, but I want to show you guys what I did, and still got some things to touch up. It's not fully drivable, quite ready just yet, but it is back on all the tires. So let's swap this around so I can show you what's going on with it so far. All right, so triple bronze long arm kit. The back's pretty straight right now. I actually want to put some lift into it, so I guess I'm going to try to get the shocks adjusted and get some ground clearance out of the back. It's definitely sitting pretty dang flat. New plastics, 2020 Pioneer 500 plastics. I put the 35 Outlaw 3s on it, and as you can see here, you can kind of tell the front's sitting up taller. So let's go above the trailer. Sun's really bad right now, but 23 inches of ground clearance the way that it sits. On 35s, I'll probably put the 34 5s Outlaw 2s on it also, to try that. But it's back together, it's done. As far as all the suspension stuff goes, just need to play with my settings, raise the back up a little bit. Roof, got some audio coming from Live Round Sound, the new power towers. That should be pretty sweet. But demons in the front, torque locker, killers. Let me get out the sun here. Oh yeah, it's bright. All right. Keller P1000 ball joints, 01 to 05 Civic ball joints, custom demon on that right front, P700 demon on the left front, and got the torque locker installed. I got vent lines to run, got a snorkel to run, got the relocate to install, power steering to install. But for the most part, at least, it's on all the tires. Tie rods still got to be tightened down. I haven't even tightened them down yet, so I guess I'll do that right now. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update, do this video, and go ahead and get it up on YouTube. Give you guys a little bit of something to watch. I like to try to keep this updated, and whatever today is, I think Brooks was the first one to get his on the ground running, and I guess as far as moving the tabs forward, I'm second. But whatever it is, second, third, I know there's Jason Barley's doing one. I haven't seen his video or him post any pictures yet, but he should be right with me or right behind me. So you'll start to see a couple of them out. He's not nowhere close to me either, so we're in different parts of the state, which is cool. All three of the buggies are. But that's it, guys, for this video. I'm going to be doing a radiator relocate install video and a power steering install. Get this thing finished up. Going to run a snorkel on it, vent lines like I told you guys about. And I think it needs a new battery as well. And get everything greased up before I really drive it around. But should be doing some riding videos soon. Now I just got to work on the Defender. Thank you guys for watching.